Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use time in Geometry Dash. Mastering timing is absolutely crucial for crafting levels that truly captivate players. When your gameplay elements are perfectly synchronized with the music, it creates an incredibly immersive and satisfying experience. We'll explore how to achieve this precision, ensuring your levels feel fluid and responsive. Get ready to elevate your level design to a whole new dimension of rhythmic perfection. Let's start with the fundamentals. Always use the editor's grid and snap options. They are your best friends for precise object placement. Try to align your objects directly with the musical beats or any distinct sound cues in your chosen song. This creates a natural rhythm for the player. Don't forget to experiment with different speeds and gravity changes, as these can dramatically alter the timing and feel of your gameplay sections. Now, let's dive into advanced timing using triggers. Move triggers are fantastic for creating dynamic object animations, allowing elements to shift position over a set duration, perhaps 1 second or 2 seconds. Alpha triggers give you control over visibility, letting objects fade in or out at exact moments. And pulse triggers are perfect for rhythmic color changes, making your level visually dance to the beat of the music. Finally, practice and refinement are key. You must test your level extensively to pinpoint any timing issues, even minor ones. Play through it dozens of times, focusing solely on the rhythm. Also, take time to observe how experienced creators utilize timing in their highly rated levels. You can learn a lot from their techniques. And always seek feedback from other players to help you fine-tune your level's rhythmic precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.